The Jervasudi Shelter is a remarkable feat of modern architecture and engineering, designed to provide a secure and comfortable refuge for mountaineers facing the extreme conditions of high-altitude terrain. Perched on a cliff in the Mont Blanc region, this innovative alpine shelter combines functionality with a sleek, futuristic design, offering breathtaking panoramic views while ensuring safety in harsh weather. Built with durable materials to withstand snow, wind, and freezing temperatures, it features solar-powered energy systems and a well-organized interior that maximizes space efficiency. Whether serving as a temporary haven for climbers or a scientific research station, the Jervasudi Shelter redefines outdoor living by blending technology, sustainability, and adventure in one extraordinary structure. A testament to human ingenuity, it stands as a beacon of resilience and innovation for explorers and nature lovers alike. Smallest house, a remarkable tiny home that proves that size is no limitation when it comes to functionality and charm. Though compact, this space is ingeniously designed to maximize every inch, offering a cozy and efficient living experience that embraces minimalism. With clever storage solutions, multi-purpose furniture, and a smart layout, the smallest house showcases how thoughtful design can transform even the tiniest of spaces into a comfortable and livable home. Whether it's an architectural wonder, a historical landmark, or a modern micro-home, this little gem stands as a testament to the beauty of simplicity and smart living. From its charming exterior to its practical interior, the smallest house invites us to rethink the way we live, proving that sometimes less is truly more. Cabana. Cabana Home is a masterpiece of adaptable architecture, designed to bring the beauty of nature into your living space while maintaining comfort and functionality. With its unique sliding structure, this innovative home allows you to seamlessly shift between open-air freedom and cozy shelter, creating the perfect balance between indoor and outdoor living. Whether you're looking for a serene retreat or a sustainable, stylish home, Cabana Home redefines modern living with its elegant design and transformative features. Experience the future of adaptable architecture with Cabana Home. Welcome to Ooden House, where luxury, elegance, and modern design come together to create an extraordinary living experience. This stunning architectural masterpiece is designed for those who seek sophistication and comfort, offering world-class amenities and breathtaking interiors that redefine contemporary living. Every corner of Ooden House is crafted with precision, from its grand entrance to its beautifully detailed spaces that exude warmth and style. Whether you're looking for a serene retreat or an iconic residence, this magnificent home promises an unrivaled experience. With top-tier facilities, a prime location, and unmatched attention to detail, Ooden House is more than just a home. It's a lifestyle, a statement of prestige, and an invitation to experience life at its finest. Three by 6 meters house. The perfect blend of efficiency and style with the 3 by 6 meters house, a compact yet beautifully designed space that maximizes every square meter. Ideal for minimalists, urban dwellers, or anyone looking for a smart living solution, this home combines functionality with modern aesthetics. Whether you're seeking a cozy retreat or an innovative tiny home, the 3 by 6 meters house offers a practical layout, clever storage solutions, and a welcoming atmosphere. With a sleek design, optimized space utilization, and a focus on comfort, this house proves that great things come in small packages. Step inside and discover how compact living can be both stylish and practical. Prefab X Flip is a revolutionary modular home that combines smart design with effortless adaptability. Engineered for efficiency and style, this innovative prefab structure features a unique flipping mechanism that allows for customizable layouts, making it perfect for dynamic living spaces. Whether you're looking for a compact urban home or an expandable retreat, Prefab X Flip offers sustainability, flexibility, and modern aesthetics in one seamless package. Redefine the way you live with Prefab X Flip, the future of modular living. Step into the charm of Mystique Small Home, where cozy living meets modern elegance in a beautifully designed compact space. Perfect for those who appreciate simplicity without compromising on style, this home is crafted to offer a seamless blend of functionality and aesthetics. Whether you're looking for a serene retreat or a practical yet inviting living space, Mystique Small Home is built to bring comfort and convenience together. With smart design elements that maximize space and natural lighting that enhances the ambience, every corner is thoughtfully curated to create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. From sleek interiors to innovative storage solutions, this small home proves that luxury isn't about size, it's about feeling at home. Ideal for minimalists, urban dwellers, or anyone seeking a modern sanctuary, Mystique Small Home redefines the concept of compact living. Huga Home Spot is the perfect sanctuary for those seeking comfort and style. Designed with a blend of modern aesthetics and cozy vibes, it offers a welcoming space where relaxation meets functionality. Whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat or a vibrant hub for creativity, Huga Home Spot has everything you need to feel at home. From carefully curated decor to an ambience that sparks inspiration, this spot is more than just a place, it's an experience. Step inside and discover the warmth, charm, and unique atmosphere that makes Huga Home Spot truly special. Balashan Nano Home is the ultimate compact solution for everyday preparedness, designed to bring convenience and safety into your living space. Whether you're facing small emergencies, unexpected repairs, or simply need essential tools within reach, this ultra-portable kit ensures you're always ready. With its sleek design and carefully curated essentials, Balashan Nano Home is perfect for households that value efficiency and smart organization. Stay prepared, stay confident, and keep life running smoothly with Balashan Nano Home. Smart Dome. Smart Dome is the ultimate innovation in intelligent living, integrating advanced automation with sleek design to create a seamless smart home experience. From AI-driven security to energy-efficient systems, Smart Dome enhances convenience and control, adapting to your lifestyle effortlessly. Whether you're looking for smarter connectivity, automated solutions, or a futuristic living environment, Smart Dome redefines the way you interact with your space. Elevate your home with Smart Dome, the future of modern living. Jude Tiny Home. Welcome to Jude Tiny Home, where simplicity meets modern design in the perfect balance of comfort and functionality. This compact yet stylish home is designed to maximize space without compromising on aesthetics, offering a cozy retreat with smart, innovative features that make tiny living a dream. From its thoughtfully crafted interiors to its sustainable and efficient layout, Jude Tiny Home redefines small space living with elegance and practicality. Whether you're looking for a minimalist escape or an eco-friendly lifestyle, this tiny home is a testament to how less can truly be more. Stay tuned as we take you inside and explore its unique charm and clever design. Eco Capsule. Step into the future of sustainable living with Eco Capsule, a revolutionary micro-home that combines cutting-edge technology with eco-conscious design. This compact yet sophisticated dwelling is built for self-sufficiency, featuring high-efficiency solar panels, wind energy capabilities, and an advanced rainwater collection system, making it ideal for off-grid adventures or environmentally friendly urban living. With its sleek, space-saving interior, every inch of Eco Capsule is designed for functionality and comfort, offering a cozy yet modern retreat in nature or city landscapes. Whether you're a digital nomad, an eco-warrior, or simply someone seeking a minimalist lifestyle, this innovative pod allows you to live sustainably without compromising on comfort or mobility. The Crawler Otag 385 Luxury Edition is where rugged durability meets refined elegance, redefining off-road adventure with premium comfort. Designed to conquer the most extreme terrains, this luxury caravan boasts a reinforced suspension system, a sleek yet robust exterior, and cutting-edge technology that ensures a smooth and reliable journey. Inside, it's a masterpiece of craftsmanship, featuring high-end leather seating, a fully equipped kitchen, and a smart space-saving layout that exudes sophistication. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or immersing yourself in breathtaking landscapes, the Otag 385 provides a sanctuary of comfort with advanced climate control, state-of-the-art entertainment, and top-tier connectivity. The Balashan Flamenco is a stunning tiny home that embodies both elegance and efficiency, designed for those who seek a harmonious blend of style and functionality in a compact space. With its sleek wooden exterior and thoughtfully crafted interior, this tiny house offers an inviting atmosphere with modern amenities that maximize comfort. Inside, you'll find a bright and spacious living area, a well-equipped kitchen, and a cozy lofted bedroom, all designed to create a warm and relaxing retreat. The Flamenco is perfect for sustainable living, featuring eco-friendly materials and smart space-saving solutions that enhance everyday convenience. Whether you're looking for a peaceful getaway or a full-time residence, the Balashan Flamenco proves that small spaces can offer big possibilities, combining charm, practicality, and a minimalist aesthetic for a truly unique living experience. The Tote Small Home is a beautifully designed, compact living space that redefines modern minimalism and sustainable living. Crafted with innovation and functionality in mind, this tiny home offers a sleek, contemporary aesthetic with smart space utilization, allowing for a comfortable and stylish lifestyle in a compact footprint. Featuring high-quality materials, efficient storage solutions, and energy-conscious technology, the Tote Small Home provides everything needed for a cozy yet practical living experience. Whether used as a personal retreat, a guest house, or an off-grid sanctuary, its blend of simplicity and sophistication makes it the perfect choice for those looking to embrace a more intentional way of living without sacrificing comfort or convenience. The King Camp Con Glamping Bell Tent KT2215 is the perfect fusion of luxury and outdoor adventure, offering a spacious and elegant retreat for nature lovers who crave both comfort and style. Crafted with durable, weather-resistant materials, this bell tent is designed to withstand the elements while providing a cozy and inviting space to unwind. With its generous interior, high ceiling, and breathable fabric, the KT2215 ensures excellent ventilation and a comfortable atmosphere, making it ideal for glamping, festivals, or weekend getaways. The tent's sturdy frame and easy setup allow campers to create a beautiful outdoor haven effortlessly, while the classic bell shape adds a touch of charm to any campsite. The TEDPP rooftop tent is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts who crave adventure without sacrificing comfort. Designed for quick setup and ultimate convenience, this rooftop tent transforms any vehicle into a mobile sanctuary, allowing travelers to enjoy the great outdoors while staying protected from the elements. With its durable, weather-resistant construction and spacious interior, the TEDPP provides a cozy retreat for campers, whether exploring rugged landscapes or enjoying weekend getaways. Featuring high-quality materials, a sturdy frame, and a well-ventilated design, this tent offers a perfect balance of security and breathability, ensuring a restful night's sleep wherever the road takes you. Compact yet versatile, it easily folds away when not in use, making it the ideal companion for spontaneous adventures.